Hi everyone, Lori Whitlock here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. We are going to be putting together this adorable favor box with clear sides, and you can purchase the cutting files at the Silhouette design store or at shop.loriwhitlock.com in SVG format. So I've gone ahead and glued down these 4 covering panels, and I've gone ahead and glued down the acetate sheets on the inside of those 2 sides to create these clear window panels. So you can use a plastic baggie for that. You can use leftover packaging material from a paper collection kit, or any sort of packaging that you may get. Everything seems to be packaged in plastic these days, so you should probably have some just leftover material around the house that you could use for those pieces. Or you can always purchase overhead material from the office supply store and cut that as well. So I love this basic construction of this box because it doesn't require any glue. You're just going to go ahead and fold on all those score lines towards the center of the box, and these 2 sides are just going to fold in, and they interlock with each other to create those sides. So that's really handy. You don't need any glue for that. And then you just pull these 2 sides up, and you'll use a little bit of ribbon up here at the top. So the only thing you'll need adhesive for is the covering panels if you decide to use them, and to put those clear windows in place. There's also included in the file a cute little embellishment, a rolled flower that you can put on the side of the box. And to make the rolled flower, I have a video tutorial for that here on YouTube, so go ahead and go take a look at the rolled flower tutorial if you need help putting that together. But basically you start out at the long end and roll it onto something really tiny, a little dowel rod or something like that, into the center, and then hot glue it down to the base, and then just attach the greenery to that. Okay, so now that we're at this point, we're just going to take a little bit of our baker's twine here. I'm just going to feed that through the holes here. You could use ribbon or whatever matches the project you're trying to make. This end is getting just a little frayed. Once we have that ribbon through, we can just tie a little knot, or a little crisscross anyways, and then a bow. Okay, and then just trim those extra strings off. So cute. And then we'll just take a little adhesive and put our flowers on. A glue dot would work really well for this as well. So fun. This would be really cute for a wedding. You could just do one side. I think that would be completely sufficient, but if you wanted to do 2 sides, you could do 2. So I hope you enjoy making this fun little favor box with the clear sides. Make a great little wedding favor box or shower favor box. And like I mentioned, you could eliminate the covering panels if that's too many layers and to cut out if you're mass producing them. But you could just cut the base out of a really pretty pattern paper, and there wouldn't be any glue to assemble that. So super fun, super easy. Hope you enjoy this file. Have a great day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.